a very important role in unification of India. Sardar Patel was a lifelong member of Indian National Congress, Indian INC, and fought against British during India's freedom movement. He became the first Deputy Prime Minister of India.
National Unity Day will provide an opportunity to reaffirm the inherent strength and resilience of our nation to withstand the actual and potential threat to the unity, dignity and security of our nation.
Yes, Aaditya, do you know, on Patel's birth anniversary in 2018, Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled a 182-meter tall statue called Statue of Unity. It is the tallest statue in the world. On this day, government officials and civil members also spread awareness about Patel's contribution to Indian history. Patriotic programs are organized in schools, colleges and workplaces across the country for celebrating on this day. We cannot be separated in interest or divided in purpose. We all stand together until the end. Thank you.